So, hi, dear Capricorn. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a monthly reading for all the Capis, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 15th of January. I'm going to tap into recent, past, current energies, and near future, and we will see the guidance as usual, starting with the overall energy. It's not a love reading or career reading or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. So, let's start. Okay, Sagittarius, the overall energy for Sagittarius people for, sorry, we have Capricorn. Capricorn. Overall energy for Capricorn people for the first 15 days of January 2025 is, let's see. We have the World card. So, ending of chapters, ending of cycles, finishing unfinished business, and moving on to the next chapter with this energy of, okay, this is over, this is done, let's move on to the next chapter. Okay, let's see in the recent past what was happening. We have the Seven of Wands. You were trying to protect yourself from getting hurt or being hurt in a particular situation, in a particular direction, Cappies. So you were trying to keep your guards as up as possible. Now let's see the recent energies, current energies, what's happening. Two of Wands. So you are in this energy of waiting and watching from a distance, and you are very hopeful and positive that in the coming future everything is going to be fine, everything is going to be beautiful. Let's keep moving ahead. You're waiting and watching everything from a distance, hoping for the best to come yet. Let's see by the 15th of January what we have. The World card. Okay, there will be a completion of a cycle or some kind of unfinished business is going to pop up again. Let's see. Let's clarify the Seven of Wands in the recent past for you guys, Cappies. We have the Three of Swords, the Four of Cups, and the Ten of Pentacles. So, in the recent past, because you were so heartbroken, you were so much disappointed by a particular situation, by a particular commitment relationship, that you felt like you are never going to open up to anything or anyone ever in this lifetime because you are done with this shit. You're done putting in the effort and energy in the wrong direction with the wrong kind of people because you tried your best to fix something, to make something work out, and it failed terribly multiple times. Now you just feel like getting over it. In the recent past, you were trying your best to get over a particular person or situation and keeping your energies intact, even if other people were like showing up or other energies were showing up. Let's clarify the Two of Wands in the current scenario. We have the Tower, the Lovers, and the Five of Cups. See, you are waiting for the time when you will be over the situation that you are still dealing with, over a disaster, over a disappointment regarding a relationship and situation that is still very much fresh in your energies, fresh in your mind. You're trying your best to let go of this completely so that you can move forward with optimism and positivity that now it's over, now I can look forward to have something better or someone better in my life. This disaster, this ending, this separation, this breakup, this heartbreak, whatever happened, is still haunting you. And you're trying your best to let go of this as quickly as possible, but you are in the surrender mode right now where you know it's going to take some more time. Right. Let's see, by the 15th of January, we have the World card. Let's see. We have the Fool, the Two of Cups, and the Eight of Cups, right? So you are going to be finally taking this courageous step of finishing the unfinished business with somebody and letting it go completely out of your life, out of your system. It's a final goodbye this time. It's like Cap is you being in this energy of I know I still care, I know I still am attached to the situation, but this is a final answer, this is a final goodbye, and after this I'm never going to look back because enough of this. Enough of me letting myself down. I can't do it ever again, and I will never do it ever again. This is going to be your energy of letting go of something or someone out of your life, out of your system, basically permanently this time because you feel like enough is enough, and even if I care, I don't care anymore. I should not care anymore, actually. So, finishing the unfinished business and putting an end to a cycle that was disturbing you from quite a long time now. Guidance for you guys, the Six of Pentacles. Whatever decision you're making, of course it's your life and your choice, but you have to stabilize your mind and your heart, and you have to make the choice, then you have to make the right decision here, by stabilizing your heart and your mind. Come to the point of where your heart and your mind is on the same page and you guys are talking it out with each other, and then you're making the choice and the decision of letting something go or someone go out of your life, out of your system, and then stick to that decision. That is the main part, Capricorn. We all make decisions, but the main part is to sticking to that decision so that we can, move to the next chapter. Yeah, it's painful, but it's necessary. Everyone have to go through that. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.